Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're discussing an important topic for anyone entering into a contract or business transaction: misrepresentation claims. Misrepresentation might sound like legal jargon, but it's essentially about being misled. Whether you're buying a business, entering into a commercial lease, or purchasing goods or services, misrepresentation can have serious financial and legal consequences. So, what is misrepresentation? In simple terms, it occurs when one party makes a false statement of fact that induces another party to enter into a contract. If that statement turns out to be untrue, and you relied on it when making your decision, you may have grounds to bring a misrepresentation claim. It's important to note that not every false statement counts. The statement must be a factual assertion, rather than an opinion or a vague promise about the future. And you must have relied on that statement when entering the contract. If you didn't take it into account, it's unlikely to form the basis of a claim. There are three main types of misrepresentation: fraudulent, negligent, and innocent. Fraudulent misrepresentation occurs when someone knowingly makes a false statement intending to deceive. This is serious and can lead to substantial damages, as the courts aim to put the claimant in the position they would have been in if the misrepresentation had never occurred. Negligent misrepresentation happens when a party makes a statement carelessly or without reasonable grounds for believing it to be true. Innocent misrepresentation, on the other hand, occurs when a false statement is made without fault. The person genuinely believed it was true. While innocent misrepresentation doesn't usually attract damages, it can allow the contract to be rescinded, which effectively cancels the agreement. Let's consider an example. Imagine you're buying a commercial property, and the seller tells you that the building is fully compliant with all safety regulations. Based on that statement, you proceed with the purchase. Later, you discover that the property has serious safety breaches, and rectifying them will cost a significant sum. If it turns out the seller knew the building wasn't compliant but misrepresented its condition anyway, you may have a claim for fraudulent misrepresentation. If the seller genuinely didn't know but failed to check, that might amount to negligent misrepresentation. Either way, the law provides avenues for compensation or contract rescission. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients navigate the complexities of misrepresentation claims. One of the first steps is determining the type of misrepresentation and the remedies available. Depending on the circumstances, you may be entitled to rescind the contract, claim damages, or in some cases do both. Timing is also crucial. Misrepresentation claims must generally be made promptly, and evidence of the false statement and the reliance on it is essential. That's why having expert legal advice from the outset can make a significant difference. We also guide businesses on preventing misrepresentation claims before they arise. Clear communication, thorough documentation, and accurate representations in contracts can reduce the risk of disputes and protect your reputation. Prevention is always better than litigation. So, to sum up, misrepresentation claims allow a party who has been misled to seek remedies when a false statement of fact induces them to enter into a contract. Whether fraudulent, negligent, or innocent, these claims exist to ensure fairness, protect parties from deception, and provide recourse when things go wrong. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients both bring and defend misrepresentation claims, providing clear, practical advice and strategic support throughout the process. If you believe you have been misled in a business transaction, or you want to ensure your contracts are safe from potential claims, we can help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors. And if you're facing a misrepresentation issue, get in touch. We'd be delighted to advise you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.